Now let's focus on how decisions are made on individuals within Transition Manager. The mass decision tool provides the ability to input separation or retention decisions for populations of employees one at a time on predefined criteria such as skills, performance, facility closing, position elimination, or whatever your criteria might be. Data is dynamically presented based upon that factor for criteria, so your decision reason combinations are based on the criteria selected. By selecting a retained decision and the associated reason, users can make their decisions and associate that criteria. Another option within Transition Manager for decision criteria is using skills and performance, or skills or performance in this case. Transition Manager again will provide the criteria required, and here you see a skill average and a performance rating that allows our users to make informed decisions. Again, our decision reason combination is based upon our factor for consideration selected. A third option in the decision process is associated with what we call a surplus. Here, when users select a target that they are trying to meet on the population, Transition Manager helps enforce that target. You can see here I've picked a surplus by 6 out of the 16 members. And in this case, based upon predefined business rules, including the skill average, based on the skill ratings that were entered into Transition Manager, we have tiebreakers such as hire date. The system will tell us those individuals that, based upon the client's business rules, should be separated or surplus. By selecting this button, the system will associate that to factor decision reason combination. In addition to the mass decision tools you've seen me demonstrate, Transition Manager also provides individual decision tools, which users can input a factor for consideration, the individual decision and reason combination, along with any comments or justification that might be necessary. What's important to note is Transition Manager will provide the correct decision screen depending on the supporting information and the criteria selected. These screens enable managers to make decisions as well as allow HR to create collaborative views for larger decisional groups. This concludes the decision portion of the demonstration.